I'm here at the Hoffner knives booth at the SHOT Show, and next to me is the innovator of an incredible knife for CQB.
Well, the Hoffner knife, a magnificent instrument, but a magnificent instrument is nothing without a magnificent system of operation. So that's the Hoffner knife. This system is so wonderful. It's so easy to learn, so easy to deploy in the defense of your life, and so easy to retain that. So my ready grip hides the knife, but it's just like a hard knock at the door to deploy it to point down. This is the position you want to be in to defend yourself. Because if I block, they skin themselves in my block. I sweep, they're reaching into my blender. But either way, they're cutting themselves. I'm not cutting them. I don't want to hurt anybody. So I've got impact weapon. I can just use the impact weapon. Or pain compliance. Take out the trash. But if that goes south, right, yeah, I just deploy to lethal force. So it's the world's best knife and defensive knife system, the Hoffner knife system, the fastest deployment there is to point down. It's gross motor skill. So it's a wonderful tool, wonderful system.
Thank you so much for showing us.
Yes, thank you for sharing it. We want everybody to be safe, everyone in the world to enjoy life and to be able to protect their life, protect their family, and enjoy this beautiful world.
And if the new customers are not used to it, there are also training knives available.
Yeah, the training knives, same steel, but no bandage required.
Exactly. Thank you so much.